Ever noticed how some desert rocks shine like they've been painted with a mysterious glaze? That's desert varnish, nature's own artwork. This shiny coating forms over thousands of years as wind brings dust and tiny bits of clay to the rocks. Rain and dew allow special bacteria to pull minerals like manganese and iron from the dust, creating a thin, dark layer. The result? Shimmering, almost metallic surfaces that have inspired ancient artists. Next time you see a glossy desert rock, remember, it's not just a rock, but a masterpiece crafted by time and nature.